Hello, everyone. We are Team One, and our project is rolling umbrella attachment for children with physical ailments. Our project description is making an attachment for an umbrella, so it will minimize the carrying and substitute it with rolling, especially when it gets heavy after using it in rain. Our primary objective for manufacturing is 3D printing it, so anyone can use it from any location and have it as a one print, so it can be easily attached by anyone.
So for our first prototype, we tried to 3D print it as two separate parts. And as you can see on the picture on the left, the snapping attachment actually cracked. So when it snapped into place, it was not that stable. So we had a second iteration where we 3D printed the design in one 3D print, as shown on the next slide here. And that is connected and there is no need for attachment. So that can be taken off the build plate right away and used right away. And you'll see it rolling on the next slide. And there it is rolling in action. So the lightweight makes it very easy to go from state to state, from holding the umbrella up in the air to rolling it on the ground.